but 4 with that running back. Now a little more balance.
2nd and 11. Up top, man wide open, touchdown, Western Kentucky. Malachi Corley with his first score of 2022. The field goal attempt from 41 yards. They call them automatics. Very good last year. Kick is up, and that one's through. 6 left in this first quarter of play. DeLillo gonna throw it right side in the slot. He's got McCray to the 10, 15, touchdown.
It's a luxury they have. They have 2 really nice tight ends here at Western Kentucky. Very important to Helton's offense.
1st and 10 from the 11, left side. Malachi Corley's got some room, up the gut, spins in, loses the helmet. At least 10 from the 32. DeLillo, left side, look at it, that's a pick 6. Western Kentucky. Samuel in the backfield, DeLillo out of the gun. McCray, split right, and it's gonna be DeLillo inching his way in.
Now snap, hold.
Maddox Trujillo, the kick on the way. Ashland, Alabama. 2nd and 10, Reed, straight drop, middle. And for the 3rd time this afternoon, 3rd and 7, Reed, straight drop, looking deep. What a catch and a touchdown. Trips left, naked backfield. DeLillo, up the gut, middle, touchdown.